What's up, everybody? We have a cranberry sauce recipe featuring our musket powder seasonings for your holiday season. Start by measing out your ingredients, which include juicing and zesting 1 orange, 2 ounces of rum, 6 ounces of sugar, and 20 ounces of cranberries. Add the rum to the pot and flambe. A few seconds later, add the cranberries and the rest of your ingredients. Cook on medium-high for 10 to 15 minutes as the berries release some of their juices and begin to form more of a sauce. Stir constantly as this is happening to make sure that the sauce does not burn on the bottom of the pot. Once your sauce has reached this consistency, it's time to add your musket powder seasonings. Season to taste with salt and sugar and add to a food processor. We chose to use a Tammy here to get a smooth and velvety sauce, but feel free to use whatever you have available. We do hope you've enjoyed this recipe, and feel free to check out our website for more musket powder seasoning recipes.